Good morning, class. It is question number 14. A line perpendicular to the line segment joining 1, 0 and 2, 3 divides it in the ratio 1:n. Find the equation of line. Let the coordinate of point 1 A is 1, 0 and B is 2, 3. It is the line AB 1, 0 and 2, 3 and a line which is perpendicular to AB and divides it in 1:n is CD. Now we have to find the equation of CD. Firstly, we find this point. Let it is x, y. Point x, y divides the line segment joining point A and B in 1:n. And at point E. Now coordinate of point E. X, y. And let coordinate of point A is x, y. Since this point divides the line segment AB in 1:n internally, then x equal m1 x2 plus m2 x1 m1 plus m2 by internal division formula. Then it is m1 1 and it is m2, and these are point x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then x equal m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. We have 2 plus n by 1 plus n, m1 x2 m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Y equal m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. No, m1 y2, m1 is 1, y2 is 3, m2 y1 0 by m1 plus m2. Now we have value of y is 3 by 1 plus n, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now since CD is perpendicular to AB, then we know that the relation between slope of perpendicular line is m1 m2 equal -1, means slope of AB into slope of CD. is equal -1, m1 m2 equal -1. Slope of AB is a line passing through point 1, 0 and 2, 3, and slope of line passing through 2 points is given by the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, means 3 minus 0 by 2 minus 1 into slope of CD, which is unknown, equal -1. Then slope of CD is equal 3 by 1, means -1 by 3. Now x1 y1 x comma y is 2 plus n upon 1 plus n, comma 3 by n plus 1, and slope of CD is given. Now we know that equation of line passing through a point having slope m is given by the formula y minus y1 m x minus x1. Then equation of CD, y minus y1 is a point on CD which is x comma y, and the value of x is equal m1 m, means y minus y1 m x minus x1. M is -1 by 3, x minus x1 is 2 plus n by 1 plus n. Now we have -1 by 3x, shift it to LHS, 1 by 3x plus y, and this is 2 plus n, 3 into 1 plus n, plus 3 by 1 plus n, -1 by 3x plus 2 plus n by 3n plus 1 and 3n plus 1, and it is 1 plus n into 3, 2 plus n plus 9. Then equation of CD is x by 3 plus y equal n plus 11 by 3 bracket n plus 1, and it is answer.